Okay, let me call it very quickly. Oh, let me see if I'm on the right page. Calling cause number 2021-0D03011, State of Texas versus Juan Antonio Rodriguez. May I have announcements, please?
Roa King for the state. State is ready.
We have been waiting. It is now 4:41. We have the defendant appearing remotely from the jail annex. We were scheduled today for a final hearing plea deadline. Mr. Rodriguez, we have been unable to get in contact with your attorney. I believe she was here earlier and the office had inquired about the login information for this afternoon, but for whatever reason, we are not able to reach her. What I will state for both the record, Ms. King and Mr. Rodriguez's benefit is this is a case that we had conferenced as of at least a month ago regarding a new trial setting. And there was an agreement, although you were scheduled for trial this week, there was an agreement indicated from your attorney that this case was to be continued from this trial setting. I had instructed the attorneys to come back to the court on this date with some proposed trial dates to see if we could get that to fit in with the court scheduling. And as of today, I don't have those, Mr. Rodriguez. So I am going to grant the agreed request for continuance. So there will be no trial this week on your case. I will ask the parties to reconvene in 30 days for a status conference in person to go before the court with dates certain for the court's calendar. Every time we delay, it just means further out that your trial gets set, Mr. Rodriguez. So I just wanted you to have the update. I'm not suggesting anything about her non-appearing today. It's very unusual because we've had no contact. So I'm hoping there's not been a problem. But in any event, it wasn't something that we were necessarily anticipating going to trial specifically because there had been discussion about some ongoing issues. So I just wanted to put that on the record to make sure you understood, Mr. Rodriguez, and make sure that I did have the actual pleading filed by the attorneys, which I have, and I have signed that. So we will be coming back in 30 days. Ms. King, did you have anything else for me?